everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Erica, and today I wanted to jump straight in and show you how my closet ended up turning out from my last video. You'll see in a second the before and how my closet was just stuffed full of my winter clothes with some spring and summer clothes as well, so I had to get all of the winter clothes put away, plus some other things that had made their way in.
Stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
If you are new to my channel, I'm so glad you're here. I do lots of After Dark Clean With Me videos because I have 2 young daughters and often I'm cleaning after they go to bed, especially now that they don't usually take a nap. I also show home projects, decluttering, and cooking, so if you like those sorts of things, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel for more. I don't have much to do in the master bedroom here, but I did want to tidy up a little so that it's cozy when we come up to bed. In a second, I'll show you another closet that I recently changed, and then we'll go downstairs to the first floor. I have some work to do in both the living room and the kitchen. I did want to mop the floor in the master bathroom because I just dusted last night, but it had been a while since I'd mopped that floor.
Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered.
This toy closet used to be our shoe closet where I also kept handbags, but I've downsized and will also be relocating some of the things you see from this pile.
So much better. I heard that you walked out again. I heard that you cried. Come this way, let me be a friend. My home's open wide. We can live here. We can die. There's nothing to fear if you try. If you keep believing, like rain falling soft from the sky.
If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video.
We can die. We can live here. We can die. Oh, oh, so bright and awake.
wanted to show you how dirty the floors are before vacuuming because from far away they can look clean. I keep going back and forth between the high and low setting on the vacuum because there are some cracks in the floors that are bigger and need more attention.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you.
I never used to clean this stovetop as much as I do lately, and it's so worth the extra minute it takes. It makes the kitchen look so much cleaner.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh, yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Dreaming big makes me smaller than I wanna be, but I guess I'll get used to being small in a world that's not acting kind, even if I don't want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles.
Very often I remove this rubber splash guard from the sink that leads to the garbage disposal. It just pops in and out and it gets so gross. If you don't remove yours, you should. A dirty one can make your sink really stinky.
These city lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm used to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh, yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
I try to figure out.
I clean these bar stools so often. It helps, but the next bar stools we buy will not be cloth. They often get much dirtier than this, but they'll dry and look fresh in the morning.
Don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're
was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. No, I can't get enough of what you do. Enough of what you do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong.
Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. I hope you found a little motivation to work on your own to-do list, and I'll see you next time. Bye.